Ever hopped on a bustling online marketplace, snagged a great deal, and paid with ease? Or maybe you've been on the other side, running a thriving platform connecting buyers and sellers. Behind the scenes of these smooth transactions often lies lemonway, the European payments powerhouse. But how exactly does lemonway turn facilitating these exchanges into their own success story? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of marketplace payments and uncover the secret sauce behind lemonway's business model. The marketplace maze: why payments get tricky. Imagine a bustling online market. Independent sellers hawk their wares, eager buyers browse and bargain. Cash might seem like the simplest solution, but trust and security quickly become major concerns. How do you ensure buyers get their items and sellers receive their payments securely? This is where marketplaces step in, acting as trusted intermediaries. But handling payments within a marketplace adds a layer of complexity. Unlike traditional stores where money flows directly between buyer and seller, marketplaces need to hold onto funds temporarily, ensuring everything goes smoothly before releasing them. They also need to manage complex scenarios, like refunds, disputes, and split payments between sellers and the platform itself. Enter lemonway, the payment orchestrator. This is where lemonway shines. They act as the maestro in the marketplace payment symphony. lemonway provides a comprehensive suite of services that takes the burden off marketplaces, allowing them to focus on what they do best, connecting buyers and sellers. Here's a breakdown of what lemonway offers. Secure payment processing. lemonway acts as a licensed payment institution, ensuring all transactions comply with stringent regulations. They handle everything from collecting payments from buyers to securely holding funds until the transaction is complete. Seamless integration. lemonway boasts a powerful API that seamlessly integrates with various marketplace platforms. This allows for a smooth user experience where buyers can pay conveniently without leaving the marketplace. Frictionless fund management. lemonway takes care of managing marketplace funds, including facilitating payouts to sellers, handling refunds, and managing platform fees. They also offer features like segregated accounts, ensuring buyer funds are always kept separate from marketplace funds. Regulatory compliance. Navigating the complex world of financial regulations can be a nightmare for marketplaces. lemonway acts as a shield, handling KYC, know your customer, checks, AML, anti-money laundering, compliance, and other regulatory hurdles. So, how does lemonway make money? Now, for the money shot, how does lemonway profit from all this complex orchestration? lemonway primarily uses a transaction fee model. They charge a small percentage, often referred to as a take rate, on every transaction processed through their platform. This take rate can vary depending on the type of transaction and the volume of transactions processed by a marketplace. For instance, lemonway might charge a slightly higher take rate for transactions involving international payments or high-risk categories. The beauty of this model is that it incentivizes lemonway to provide a smooth and efficient service. After all, their success hinges on the success of the marketplaces they support. Beyond transaction fees, additional revenue streams. While transaction fees are the core of lemonway's business model, they also have a few additional revenue streams. Subscription fees. Some marketplaces might opt for a subscription model with lemonway, gaining access to premium features or higher transaction limits. Value-added services. lemonway offers additional services like fraud prevention tools, dispute resolution assistance, and marketing tools, which marketplaces can leverage for a fee. The future of payments, innovation, and growth. lemonway is constantly innovating and expanding its offerings. They're at the forefront of trends like open banking and instant payments, which are poised to revolutionize the way marketplaces handle transactions. With a keen eye on the future of financial technology, lemonway is well positioned to maintain its dominance in the European marketplace payments landscape. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.